Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, where today I'm going to show you how you can download CoinDCX application in your Android mobile phone. CoinDCX is an app that can help you invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum or other altcoins. First of all, to download CoinDCX, go onto your Play Store and on the search bar type in CoinDCX. And after the result pops up, tap on CoinDCX. After clicking on CoinDCX, you can see there is an install button and click on install. And depending upon your internet connection, CoinDCX will be downloaded to your phone in a short period of time. And now you can use CoinDCX to invest in any kind of Bitcoin, Ethereum or other altcoins. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. For more similar contents, hit the bell for latest notifications. See you guys next time.